I.T.S fam, welcome and welcome back to yet again another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be actually breaking down the Usdjpy trade that I took on Friday, and we actually took this trade on a 10 rand account, as you can see over here, and we're actually currently running profits. So please make sure that you make it to the end of the video so you clearly understand the steps and procedures that I took in order to take this trade. And please make sure that you like the video, make sure that you comment, and make sure that you actually subscribe because we are on our way to 500 subs, currently on 271. Without any further ado, guys, let's jump right into it. What's good, guys? We hope y'all are good. Okay. What's good, I.T.S fam? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be breaking down the trade that I took on Friday. It was USDJPY trade, and we actually caught that trade on a 10 rand account. Crazy enough, a 10 rand account.
He still left the trade running.
Yeah.
He thinks he's gonna sleep well.
Okay, guys, but then I think it's gonna be a long-term trade, so maybe we can even grow that account to something real.
Forex profits.
Something real big. Hey, this guy.
Then we get that guy. Who's that guy? Flix.
Flix is coming for us.
This is the guy we need there.
Yeah, these two boys are doing this.
You see, if you get that guy, man, I'm telling you, it's gonna do wonders for the socials, bro.
Facts, though. Okay, so guys, right now we are on the dollar, as you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. We are on the dollar chart, and what I did on Friday was, firstly, I saw that overall we are looking at buying opportunities on the dollar, right? So obviously, if the dollar is buying, then things like USD CAD, USDJPY, they're obviously gonna buy. So if you look at this chart right here, you can see that we clearly broke out of this trend line over here, and now we've been going to the upside. So I have been expecting price to continue going to the upside until we eventually probably end at around this level, right? So yeah, basically I was looking for buys on anything that starts with USD. So with that being said, let's go to our pair, the main character, USDJPY. When we go to USDJPY, you can see that clearly we also broke out of this trend line. Sorry about that. You can clearly see that we broke out of this trend line over here, went to the upside, retest, and we've been buying ever since the retest, right? So what I did was go to I think I went to the 1 minute, yeah. What I did was go to the 1 minute. By the way, I'm actually replaying the charts just so you guys know. So what I saw, I think this was around 4-5 in the afternoon on Friday. So I saw this breakout over here of this trend line. This was on the 1 minute. So I saw this breakout over here. I saw this clean breakout, and as you can see, the candlestick actually closed above, so that was confirmation that I should buy. So my confirmations were these: the dollar overall has been buying, USDJPY in and of itself has been buying, and as you can see, we broke out of this key level. That is another one, and we actually even retested, and then we created another let me say bullish flag, but it's a flag basically. We created another flag, and we actually broke out of that flag and closed above, right? So we can expect price to do what? To continue to the upside, especially because we saw that the dollar overall is bullish, right? So what I did was actually place my buy positions right over here. I'm gonna show you guys an image of like the profits and all of that on the screen somewhere. So yeah, I went in for buy. My first TP was around this level, right? But as you guys heard from Easy, I ended up holding the trades. But yeah, that was the first place where we entered, and from there we were just now letting the trade run. And I actually thought of sending this trade to Easy, but then I didn't really think it would go up. I was not too sure, but as you guys can see, we ran into profits, went into profits. Then I think at some point, when the market came back here, I actually came and put my stop loss at break even. Let me just pause the charts. So when price was now around this area, I knew that okay, price is really bullish. It's pushing all the way to the upside. So therefore, I ended up putting my stop loss in profits, right? And actually I wasn't really taking this trade that serious, but I another thing is that I actually sent the trade onto my onto the I.T.S Telegram group, please make sure that you go and join the group in the description. But again, it is not a signals group, it's just a group where we connect as traders, talk about trading and all of that. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I was actually running profits. I think around here we're running like 5 rand profit, and the account was now on 15 rand, I think, in terms of equity. But yeah, from there, I think, and in fact around this point I actually told myself that I think this is gonna be a long-term trade, so I'm actually gonna hold it. That's why even till now, it's actually Sunday, but I'm still holding the trade. Want to see what's gonna happen on Monday. So yeah, from there we let the trade run. Allow the trade to run, and eventually my TP was hit. Wait, let's just wait for it to actually reach. Boom, my TP was hit, man. But then because I actually didn't place a take profit exactly, this was just on my trading view, I ended up in fact pushing my TP all the way up in expectancy that the price would continue to the upside, right? So that trade continued. Then at some point around here, we actually had doubled the account, right? And I thought of going back to my MT4 and going in for a size up, for sizing up my trade. And I actually ended up sizing up my trade around this level here, around here. And yeah, both trades, yeah, I think they're now running in profits. I'm gonna show you guys the progress. But yeah, I think I entered around somewhere around, yeah, maybe somewhere around here. Was it? But yeah, you get the idea. You get the idea. We're actually now running like around, I think around like 4 trades. It's now like around 4 trades. Yeah, I actually went into a bit of drawdown once I had entered into this trade. Went into a bit of drawdown, but then eventually the price actually continued to the upside, and then I think at some point it's gonna stop. It's gonna stop somewhere because it's weekend and stuff. But yeah. Ish, gents, this guy literally starts revving his car in the middle of a video. I told him, sell the car. Let's trade NFP. Let's trade CPI.
Oh,
Then we're gonna make profits. We buy another car.
aye. Me, I'm tired of using the 2 series.
But
Walking.
I told you, but
Walking is a different story.
anyway, let's get back into the video, gents.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, so yeah, that's what happened. Um, so I think right now, I think basically that's all I can say about this trade. But what I can actually tell you guys is you should always just make sure that if you're trading forex, you check what the dollar is doing, because normally after checking what the dollar is doing, you'll have more of a better bias in terms of what will happen with all the other trades, right? And yeah, basically I think that's it. Right now I think I'm gonna show you guys the MT4 thing right now. Let's do this real quick. So as you guys can see, this is my MT4 web trader. So as you guys can see, we actually placed the trades exactly where I told you guys we placed them. And I have a stop loss in profits for these trades over here. Then these buys up here, my stop loss is actually, oops, sorry about that. My stop loss is actually around here, as you can see. So yeah, guys, right now we're just waiting to see if this can actually potentially be a long-term trade. And actually this upcoming week we're gonna be having NFP. So yeah, I'm expecting maybe to hold this trade all the way to NFP. That is if the US dollar is still gonna buy, but currently it looks like the dollar is really strong. This is not a signal, but I think I'm gonna hold these trades, going forth into NFP and things like that. Do I have a target for the trade? Not really, but we're just waiting to see what exactly is going to happen. But anyway, guys, that is the end of the trade breakdown. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section. let me know if you actually gain some value from this video. Make sure that you like the video, make sure that you subscribe, as we are on our way to 500 subscribers. We're currently on 271, so please guys, make sure that you support, make sure that we're pushing. And yeah, oh yeah, by the way, if you look down here, you can actually see the profits. If you look down here, you can actually see the profits. Let me just do this. Yeah, you can see we actually flipped the account, because the account is now on 21.92 rands of equity, and the balance, as you can see, was actually 10 rand. So yeah guys, without any further ado, um we'll see what's gonna be happening this upcoming week. I'm actually also gonna be trading my 400 rand account, which I flipped from 200 to 400 last week. So yeah, the target with that is to flip it to 800. So without any further ado, yeah, we're just gonna see what's gonna happen.